स्टार्ट करिए. ओके, हाँ हाँ, थैंक यू. Hello, good afternoon all. We'll start our weekly discussions, regular discussions on this Indo and geography. That as we know that now the questions trend has changed from this year, so questions are asked generally on the basis of your particularly conceptual basis. Conceptual question, you can say that conceptual base keeps focused more priority more priority than your than factual part, factual person. So one has to be very careful about the conceptual and both the priority base. So let's discuss one by one. The Aminitive Islands that consist of 5 islands of which of the Indian territory. The Aminitive Islands consist of 5 islands of which of the Indian territory. That is your Andaman Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep, Pondicherry and Daman-Diu. Aminitive Island consists of 5 islands of which of the Indian territories. That is Aminitive Island, we can say that island that is your B for Bombay, Lakshadweep. As I said that after every 2 subsequent questions we will discuss the answer. Next, the source of Buckingham Canal is located in which state? Buckingham Canal. Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, both A and B and Karnataka. Your answer is your A. It is Andhra Pradesh. Source of Buckingham Canal. Answer B and A. The Aminitive group of islands consist of Amini, Keltan, Chitlat, Kadamat, Bitra and Perumalpar Island. It is one of the 3 island subgroups in Lakshadweep. 3 island subgroups in Lakshadweep and separated by Lakshadweep Island subgroup that is roughly 11 parallel north. जदि आम देखा Aminitive Island जोटा कि अच्छी subgroup of island that is Amini, Keltan, Chitlat and it is one of the 3 island subgroup in Lakshadweep and separated by Lakshadweep Island subgroup that is 11th parallel north particularly. If I draw here a diagram, it will be this is North Andaman, this is Middle Andaman, this is your South Andaman and this is your Little Andaman. South Andaman or Little Andaman भितर देखो, this is your Duncan Passage, this is your Duncan Passage. Okay. जदि तुम एटा अंडमान सर लक्षद्वीप जदि देखियो लक्षद्वीप group of islands जदि देखियो these are the Lakshadweep group of islands, right? And here it is. This is your southernmost Lakshadweep, that is your Minicoy, and this is group of your Maldives. This is your 11th parallel line. So it is one of the 3 island subgroups in Lakshadweep and separated by Lakshadweep Islands group roughly by 11 parallel north. Right? Next, the Buckingham Canal is a 796 km long along freshwater navigational canal and the parallels of the Coromandel coast of the South India. It is the Coromandel coast of the it is the Coromandel coast of the South India particularly. Buckingham Canal and freshwater navigational is the Coromandel coast of the South India. The Coromandel coast of South India from Kakinada city in the East Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh to Villupuram district in Tamil Nadu. To the Villupuram district in Tamil Nadu. The canal connects most of the natural backwaters along the coast of Chennai, Madras port, declared the National Waterway of India. Buckingham Canal 796 km जोटा कि तमरो स्टार्ट इच गोदावरी माने एठू हला काकीनाडा. दिस इज पर्टिकुलर जदि हम कहबी दिस इज काकीनाडा इज अ पोर्ट सिटी. दिस इज काकीनाडा फ्रेश वाटर navigation canal parallels to the Coromandel coast of South India from Kakinada city in the East Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh to Villupuram district in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu ro kodi Villupuram district. The canal connects most of the natural backwaters along the coast of Chennai. The canal connects most of the natural backwaters along the coast of Chennai. Madras port. This is the declared as the national waterway. जो एटा को जदि हम if I say that one that Kakinada to Chennai is national waterway 4 है जोटा कि हमें को शॉर्टकट रे NWW4 नेशनल वाटरवे 4 काकीनाडा टू योर चेन्नई. See, this is the thing जोटा कि हम देखि परिबा. This is Vadrachalam, this is Godavari river, this is Rajmundry, Kakinada and Kakinada canal, this one. Kakinada canal is here and this is Elluru canal, Andhra Pradesh, Wazirabad. Vijayawada, Speraganjam, Spulicate Lake, this one. Buckingham Canal is this one. This one is Buckingham Canal entirely. This is Spulicate Lake. Kakinada Puducherry Canal system is integrated with rivers Godavari. Godavari river sangar particularly and Krishna, that is NWW4. This is Chennai and this is Markanum, Fuleli Tank, this is Pondicherry. So we can say it is to the starting from your Kakinada to Pondicherry, Puducherry. This is known as your NWW4, which is near about approximate 1100 kilometer. Okay, this is 1100 kilometer. Next question देखिए. What is the principal language of Nagaland? What is the principal language of Nagaland? Naga, Khasi, English and Mizo. Principal language of Nagaland. Principal language of the Nagaland देखो, it is nothing but is your, this is your English. Then one of the following statements. Which one of the following statements? The Ganga's basin, the Ganga Brahmaputra river delta is the largest river delta of the world. Okay, the Ganga Brahmaputra delta is a tide dominated delta. Ganga Brahmaputra river delta has Meghna river on its east. Okay, the river delta has a Meghna river on its east. One only correct, 2, 1 and 3 and all are correct. Meghna, the Ganga Brahmaputra river delta has Meghna river on its east. Okay, it's not east, it's the south. Tide dominated delta, Brahmaputra delta is a tide dominated delta. Tide, what you say particularly tide? No. So here 1 and 3 is correct. C is also correct. Let's see. Sorry. I'm sorry. It's D is correct as I said. Yes, it's D is correct. Okay, by mistake I said it is D is all are correct. Delta is dominated by delta. This is correct. It's tide dominated delta. Basically tides way. देखिए प्रिंसिपल लैंग्वेज देखिए इंग्लिश is the official language of the official language and the 8th schedule language of education. Nagaland is one of the states in India where the population is mostly Christian. Nagaland is the population state with the most Christian population. Nagaland has become the 16th state of India in the 1st December 1963. 1st December 1963 Nagaland first state hitla. Ganges Delta is a river delta in the Bengal region of and is a river delta in the Bengal region of the Indian subcontinent consisting of Bangladesh and the Indian state of West Bengal. Bangladesh and Indian state of West Bengal. It is the world's largest river delta and it empties into the Bay of Bengal. This is Ganga Asti. West Bengal. It is the world's largest river, Bengal in the combined waters of river system. Many those of Brahmaputra river and the Ganges. Okay, river and the Ganges river. It is one of the most fertile regions in the world, thus earning the nickname of Green Delta. World's largest river delta and it empties into the Bay of Bengal. If we diagrams diagrams re Ganga flow time देखियो, it is like this one. It flow करची total entire UP of Bihar देखिए आस्ते. It is the world's largest river delta and empties the Bay of Bengal and with the combined waters of several systems, many those of Brahmaputra river and Ganga, but it is also fertile regions in the world. Brahmaputra river, Ganga Brahmaputra, thus earning a nickname of Green Delta. ठीक है जी. सुंदरबन जो पर्टिकुलर अच्छी एपटू गंगा आसला Brahmaputra is somehow it also enter it is Brahmaputra. Hello? Is your percent this area is your Bangladesh particularly. It is your Bangladesh. Yeah, this delta stretches from the Hooghly River in the east as far as Meghna River. Next question देखिए. Which among the following is the largest and broadest river of South India? क्या भितर large और broadest? Krishna, Godavari, Damodar, Tapi. Large and broad. It is Narmada. Sorry, it is Godavari. This is your broadest river of South India following. It is 1, 2, 3. So it is the broadest and largest river with the cure. Here it is Krishna. Next, in India, the rainfall is mainly orographic nature. Which among the following identifies the word India? Word West. The orographic case. The rainfall occurs when the most air becomes saturated. The rainfall occurs when the masses of air pushed by the wind are pushed by the large mountains. Then the rainfall occurs only one side of the mountain, and the rainfall is even lesser in the interior area. Okay, so one side of the mountain, orographic. Here rainfall occurs only once, and here the rainfall. D is correct. Okay, here D is correct. So here answer here answer is your the rainfall is lesser in the rain shadow area. So D is correct. D for Delhi. Rainfall occurs when the masses of air pushed up by the wind are forced up by the large mountain. अच्छा I'm sorry. D बदलो यदि B भी देखियो, B is more accurate than B. है? Okay, so answer is your B for Bombay. The rainfall occurs when the masses of air pushed by the wind and by the large mountain. So B for Bombay answer. Let's see. Kona temple, sorry. Because Godavari is the largest broadest river जो हम देखिए है गोदावरी रिवर जो हम जाइथिला गोदावरी रिवर is the largest river of peninsular India. Okay. Godavari, largest peninsula in India, it is also known as Dakshin Gangotri or Buddha Ganga, Old Ganga, because of its size, age and strength. then it is navigable in the deltaic region. So the source of origin of the river, it rises from the place called Trimbak, located in the western Ghat in Nasik. It is from a place where the Trimbak place in the western Ghat is Nasik, district of state of Maharashtra. At the curve B ray, the rainfall occurs when the mass of air pushed by the wind are pushed up by large mountains. Just remember diagram, but maybe it will be more clear. Orographic rainfall, mane, it will be more clear here. Orographic rainfall, mane, eti hela pahada. This is orographic rainfall, badal ta chodi jibo. Okay, orographic rainfall to eti hela. So it is saturation hela pore eti barsa hai jibo. Orographic rainfall occurs due to the ascent of air. Ascent mane upurku. Ascent mane rise. Ascent of air pushed by the mountain barrier. The mountain barrier should be crossed the okay. So that the moisture air is forced to distribute the moisture air is forced in obstruction to move upward and get cooled. The moisture air कौन अब obstruct feel करियो and 8 ही वर्षा करियो. But एई सागरे 8 हाला तुम्हारा windward. भले कि देखा बोले this was your windward side. वर्षा है ना, and these are the dry. तो wind एपड़ का स्थिति से को कौन कहते हैं? This is dry area and it is your dry area. Dry area. So this is also called your leeward side. Leeward side means जो टी वर्षा टा तुम्हारा हुए. It's called leeward side of the mountain. This is dry. And for example, केला इंडिया रे पुणे. है ना? Black Pagoda is located in which state? Black Pagoda is located in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. Black Pagoda जब देखियो, Black Pagoda is located in Odisha. है ना? Odisha रे है Black Pagoda. Consider the following statements. Most of the wool produced in India is not enough to fulfill the demand of the country. Most of the wool produced in India is not apparel grade. Which of the following statements are correct? Only one is correct, only two. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Both, neither 1 and 2 is correct. Wool produced in not enough to fulfill, this is also correct, is not apparel grade. So both 1 and 2 are correct. C is correct options. Konark temple is called the Black Pagoda for it is dark in color. The dark in color due to black granite stone blocks. The beautiful sun temple. Hello. नमस्कार क्लास रे कौन कहले এইটা তাহলে আমরা আচ্ছা মো ক্লাসটা সরু মু আপন কোচ ফোন করছি হ্যাঁ The beautiful Sun Temple is the apex of Kalinga's temple architecture, and it is one of the most spectacular memorials of religious architecture all over the world. And the beautiful Sun Temple is the apex of Kalinga temple architecture, and it is one of the most spectacular memorial religious architecture all over the world. The temple is World Heritage Site, and it is also known as the Black Pagoda. Black Pagoda boli. It is a masterpiece of temple art and architecture. It is the masterpiece of temple art and architecture. India is the 9th largest producer of wool in the world with a global देखिवा कि कोणार्क टेम्पल ऊपर हाँ कोणार्क टेम्पल ऊपर जब तुम कहबे वो कोणार्क टेम्पल किए बनैथिला कोणार्क टेम्पल जब हम कहबा योर लांगुड़ा नरसिंहदेव है नरसिंहदेव एरे से बनैथिला कोणार्क टेम्पल is another black pagoda is a masterpiece of temple art and architecture. Temple art or architecture a masterpiece. India is the 9th largest producer of wool in the world, and with a global production share nearly 2%. Global production share nearly 2%. India's wool consumption is expected to reach 260 million kgs by 2019-20. India it is the 9th largest producer of wool in the world. World 9th largest producer of wool. Ninth largest producer of wool in the world with a global production share nearly 2%. Global nearly 2%. India's wool consumption is expected to reach 260 million kg. Is expected to reach 260 million kg particularly. The wool industry is concentrated in Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Gujarat. Punjab accounts for about 35% of the wool productions in India, followed by Maharashtra and Rajasthan. The wool industry is concentrated in Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Gujarat particularly. The Hirakud Dam is one of the world's longest earthen dams. Is located in which among the following states? Hirakud Dam one of the world's longest earthen dam. Hirakud Dam it is world one of the longest earthen dam, which is located in Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Karnataka, and West Bengal. Kia vitru Hirakud Dam longest. It is Amara. This is Odisha. This is in our none other than in our Odisha. Pipavav in Gujarat is best known for which among the following? Pipavav. The India's first private port, India's first greenfield energy, India's first ship breaking ad, none of the above. Pipavav is the first private port, that is in Gujarat. That is answer is your A, Pipavav. BA. Next, the Hirakud Dam is a composite structure of the earth, concrete and masonry. Hirakud Dam, composite structure of the earth, concrete and masonry. 10 km north of the Sambalpur. Is 10 km north of Sambalpur. It is the longest major earthen dam in India. Major earthen dam in India, measuring 25.8 km, including dikes, stands across the river Mahanadi. Across the river Mahanadi. Port Pipavav, India's first port in the private sector, and is a port in the west coast of India for containers, bulk and liquor cargo. It is the lead promoter in APM terminals and one of the largest container terminal operators in the world. Port Pipavav, India's first port in the private sector. Private sector India's first port, and is a port on the west coast of India for the containers. Pipavav, west coast of India, bulk and liquid cargo. Container, bulk and liquid cargo. Pipavav port is in private sector. Pipavav port ei pakhare, ठीक अछि, west coast of India. Pipavav, this is. Which of the following objectives of National Horticultural Mission under the Missions for Integrated Development, ITS, Integrated Development Horticulture, Integrated Development Horticulture, कहाँ पर? The question is that which of the following are the objectives of National Horticultural Missions under Missions of Integrated Development Horticulture? Supply of quality planting material, production and productivity movement, creations of infrastructure for post-harvest management. Then select correct statements from the code given below. Kya Vituru? Only 1, 2, correct. Only 1, 3, only 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. ठीक है जी. Objectives of National Horticulture Mission under Mission Integrated Development of Horticulture. Integrated Development of Horticulture. So here supply of quality planting material, productions of productivity management improvement, and creations of infrastructure for post-harvest management particularly. So here answer your D for Delhi is correct. All are correct. Which Indian state has emerged as the first organic state and the cleanest state in the country? First organic state and cleanest state. Tripura, Sikkim, Goa, Himachal Pradesh. It is your Sikkim. National Horticulture Mission जदि हम देखिए National Horticulture Mission under Mission Integrated Economy. It is a centrally sponsored scheme launched in 2005-06 2005-06 for the promotion of holistic growth of horticulture sector comprising of fruits, vegetables, root and tuber crops, mushrooms, spices, flowers, aromatic plants, cashew, and cocoa. So it have the cure. Mushroom, spices, flowers, and aromatic plants, cashew and cocoa. Supply of quality planting material through establishment of nurseries and tissues culture units. Establishment of nurseries, tissues culture units, productions and productivity improvement programs. Production and productivity improvement programs through area expansion and rejuvenation, technology promotion, technology dissemination, disseminations, human resource development, creation of infrastructure for post-harvest management, creation for the post-harvest management, and marketing the consonants with the comparative advantage of such state region and diverse agroclimatic conditions are some of the major programs under the NHM. National Horticulture Missions was earlier running as an independent program. This is an independent program. Now since 2014 it is a part of MIDH. It is a part of MIDH. In 2015, in 2015, Sikkim fully implemented organic farming statewide. Sikkim implemented organic farming statewide, becoming India's first organic state. Sikkim is fully implemented organic farming statewide, becoming the India's first organic state, Sikkim. While in 2016, it is restricted the usage of plastic water bottles. 2015 year Sikkim is fully implemented organic farming statewide. Sikkim it is the fully implemented organic farming statewide, becoming India's first organic state. While in 2016 it is restricted the usage of plastic water bottle. It restricted the usage of plastic water bottles in the government functions and meetings. Government function or meetings are restricted, and styrofoam products becoming India's cleanliness state. Styrofoam products there is become the India's cleanliness. No one here uses plastics. No one smokes. Particular plastic use kare. No one smokes here in public places. No one urinates in open, and no one litters. No one uses plastics, no one smokes in public places, no one urinates in the open, no one litters. There is a penalty for every violation in Sikkim. Sikkim record, there is a penalty for every violation. Okay, so this kind of particularly disciplinary approach is accepted by the total countrywide, and we can say Sikkim is becoming an role model. Sikkim is becoming a role model for all states. All states and UTs. Supreme. If such a tiny place Sikkim Sikkim is the one of the smallest state after Goa. Goa पर Sikkim is smallest. So Sikkim then why the other states is not going to implement the same thing? Sikkim is completely organic state, even if many of the places they are equipped with your, particularly many of the places they are equipped with your CCTV camera is also there. CCTV camera is also there. to trace out also. Okay, next देखिए. Consider the following crops: CWPA and sorghum, wheat plant, and barley. Which of the are the drought resistant and drought tolerant crops? Drought resistance and drought tolerant crops. Drought resistance and drought tolerant crops. Coffee, sorghum, wheat plant, and barley. Drought resistance and drought tolerant crops. Good. 1, 2, 3. These are all 1, 2, 3 except barley. Pala River water dispute between which two states? Pala River. It is in between the Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Chhattisgarh, Odisha. Ita tanu Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, B nuwa Pala River, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, edita vitru. It is between the Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. A. Both are correct. देखिए, Go region drought tolerant, multi-purpose annual arid legume crop. Barley is not the drought tolerant crop. Barley is one of the most affected crops due to drought. Drought पर जब जब क्या सब को affected रहता है, that is barley. Okay, barley is the most माने drought में सब जब क्या affected बचे थे, that is your barley. अच्छा, Palla river originates in the Nandur hills of Kolar district of Karnataka. Kolar district of Karnataka रे. It flows through Vellore, Kanchipuram district of Tamil Nadu before falling into the Bay of Bengal. It flows through the Vellore, Kanchipuram district of Tamil Nadu before falling into the Bay of Bengal particularly. Before reaching Tamil Nadu, the river flows for a 33 km in Andhra Pradesh. Pala river water dispute is between Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Pala river is a dispute between Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. It was recently in news in Tamil Nadu government has approached the Supreme Court seeking a permanent injunction against the newly bifurcated Andhra Pradesh from building check dams and diversion structures on the river. Check dams and diversion structures in the river. Palla dam देखियो Nandur hills in Karnataka. It flows Vellore of Kanchipuram district of Tamil Nadu neki. Tamil Nadu, the river 33 km in Andhra Pradesh, and Palla river water dispute between Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. It was recently in news because Tamil Nadu government has approached the Supreme Court seeking a permanent injunction against the newly bifurcated Andhra Pradesh. From building new check dams and diversion structures on the river. माने जितने कर्नाटक से बाहर ची नंदुर हिल्स जितने कर्नाटक रे किसी प्रॉब्लम नहीं, but problem is in Andhra Pradesh government. आंध्र प्रदेश कौन करছে आंध्र प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट पर्टिकुलरली आंध्रा रे है आंध्र प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट रे पर्टिकुलर न्यूली बाइफरकेटेड आंध्र प्रदेश फॉर्म बिल्डिंग ए न्यू चेक डैम्स पर्टिकुलरली है आंध्र प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट रे न्यू चेक डैम्स diversion structures in the river Andhra Pradesh government है that was the thing why the Tamil Nadu government approached the Supreme Court to in order to object the building of new check dams and diversion structures of the river on the river particularly. Consider the following pairs: Bundar project diamond, Hirabundi project gold, and Jaduguda project uranium. Jaduguda project uranium, then Hirabuddini project gold, Jaduguda uranium, Hirabuddini gold, and Bundar project diamond. These are correct. अभी तो correct किए. These all are correct. Okay, this is all are correct. Okay, we'll discuss Buluthunelu, a near extinct rice variety and variant. Sorry, Buluthunelu is a near extinct rice variant. Is predominantly grown in which state? Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, and Telangana. Buluthunelu, it is in the C, Kerala. Yes. Achha. Bandar project was recently in news when the mining of giant Rio Tinto decided to shut down Bundar project of 2200 crore diamond mining project in Madhya Pradesh. $2,200 crore diamond mining project in Madhya Pradesh. The Bundar diamond project was discovered in 2004 by the Australian-based mining major. And in 2010, it inked an agreement with the Madhya Pradesh for the development of the project. Utti and Utti, particularly the Bundar diamond project was in Madhya Pradesh by discovered in Bundar diamond project. Bundar diamond project is in Bundar diamond project is in particularly discovered this mining area in 2004 in Madhya Pradesh by the Australian-based mining major and that is Rio Tinto. And in 2008 it is inked an agreement with the Madhya Pradesh for development of the project. Australian Rio Tinto. Utti and Utti in Karnataka and Hirabuddin mines in Jharkhand. Hirabuddin mines in Jharkhand are the only gold producing minerals in the country. Jaduguda in Jharkhand is known for the uranium mines. Utti and Hirabuddin in Jharkhand are known for the gold producing mines in India. So these are the very important collections of that we have to know that one. Next, Buluthunelu, a rice variety, belongs to exclusively to Attapadi and is presently available with very few tribal farmers in Solapur Panchayat. It is now a near extinct rice variant because of large scale land alienation and adverse climatic conditions. It is forced for the tribal people in Attapadi to stop cultivation both offland and lowland rice varieties. The rice variety belongs to the Attapadi in the present available this is Solapur Panchayat. It is now a near extinct rice variety because of large scale land elevation and diverse climatic condition which force the tribal people in Athabadi to stop cultivation both offland and lowland rice varieties. Bulutulelu, particularly in Kerala, that we know that one, this one now. Next, देखिए, consider the following interstate river water disputes with states which are associated. Tungabhadra river water dispute, Tungabhadra river water dispute, that is in the Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Bhavani river water dispute between the Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Then Mahadaya river water dispute between your Karnataka and Goa. Interstate river water dispute जब हम लिखिए तुंगभद्रा है कर्नाटका और आंध्र प्रदेश, that is correct. Bhavani river between the Kerala and Tamil Nadu, and Mahadayi river water dispute between the Karnataka and Goa. Bhavani river water dispute between the this is in between actually this is Tungabhadra river between the Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, this is correct. Bhavani water dispute Kerala Tamil Nadu, no, this is Kerala and Karnataka. Bhavani. Mahanadi river water dispute between the Karnataka and Goa. Mahadaya river water dispute that is in between the, which of the following are correct? Bhavani river, Kerala. Just a minute, Bhavani river. This is also correct. Mahadaya also Karnataka. All three are correct. 1, 2, 3. Which of the following regions of India is best suited to cotton cultivation? Deccan, Northeast India, Indo-Gangetic Plain and East Coastal Plain. Okay, that is your A. Deccan Plateau cotton cultivation by. ये देखो महादाई और मांडोवी रिवर है ना, महादाई और द मांडोवी रिवर water dispute is in between the states of Maharashtra, Karnataka and Goa and is over 30 years old particularly. The Tungabhadra water dispute is between the states of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. The Tungabhadra water dispute between the states of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Bhavani river water dispute between the Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Bhavani river. Bhavani river in between the Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Then Mahadaya, it हम गुटिंग से देखिए Mahadaya river जी then Mandovi river भी same है ना, Mahadaya and Mandovi river they both are same. Next देखिए the black soil is considered the best cotton cultivation. Black soil is mainly found in the Deccan Plateau. Black soil is mainly. Most of the cotton cultivations is confined to these regions. However, cotton is also grows well in the alluvial soil. Cotton cultivation by alluvial soil of the Satluj Ganga plain and red laterite soil of the peninsular region. However, cotton is also grows well in the alluvial soils of Satluj Ganga plain and Peninsular. About 70% of the total cotton is produced in Gujarat. India total production लिखिए 70% of cotton productions of cotton production, that is first is your Gujarat, then your Maharashtra, right? Gujarat, Maharashtra, then Telangana, then your AP, Andhra Pradesh, right? Gujarat, Maharashtra, then Telangana, then your Andhra Pradesh. 70% country cotton production at huge. However, cotton also grows well in Satluj Ganga plain भी होचे पंजाब रे, and red laterite soil in the peninsular region रे भी गंगा रे भी भलो तमरो cotton production होचे apart from the black soil. Next, Omkareshwar hydroelectric project में कौन गए? Omkareshwar HP is associated with which of the following rivers? Omkareshwar hydroelectric project is associated with which of the following rivers? Luni, Narmada, Chambal, Sabarmati. This is B. Narmada. Which Indian state has its name from 5 rivers that once flowed through the state? Name from the 5 rivers. That is your B for Bombay, Punjab. Make your answer. Omkareshwar hydroelectric project is situated near Omkareshwar temple in Mandhata village in Khandwa district of Madhya Pradesh. It is in the Khandwa district of Madhya Pradesh. The hydroelectric project built over the Narmada river. Okay? Narmada river upare built it. The hydroelectric project Narmada river. Omkareshwar project hydroelectric project. Right? Same the Punjab is one of the richest. Omkareshwar project upare एति कहबी कि Omkareshwar project जो your production of electricity, that is mainly cater the needs of particularly it caters the needs of your electricity need of the state your Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, sorry Madhya Pradesh, not Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, mainly Madhya Pradesh and Khandwa district of Madhya Pradesh, built upon the Narmada river. Khandwa district Madhya Pradesh से Punjab देखिए, Punjab is one of the richest state of India. The origin of its name is from the 5 rivers that once confluenced through the state. Punjab जदि हबो, that is origin of 5 rivers. Punjab रो Punjab माने पंचनाद्रु Punjab आछि. पंचनाद्रु your Punjab आछि. पंचनाद्रु तुम्हारा Punjab आछि particularly. Who are those rivers mainly? The rivers are Ravi, Bees, Chenab, Jhelum and Satluj. Right? Those, right? Those are the Jhelum, Ravi, Bees and Satluj. Right? The post-independence part of Punjab is now lies in Pakistan, but still it retains the same name. Right? Jhelum or Satluj, still it retains the same name. Next हमें देखिए which among the following is the first national waterway in India in 24 navigation facilities? First national waterway in India with 24-hour navigation facilities. National Waterway 1, National Waterway 2, National Waterway 3, National Waterway 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. First किए सब National Waterway 1 है तुम्हारा Allahabad and Hooghly, and National Waterway 2 Sadia Dhubri Assam. Waterway 3 है Kochi Kollam, sorry Kozhikode Kollam. National 5 है तुम्हारा ब्राह्मणी ऊपर Odisha Bengal. So या भितर सब बेस्ट जल्दी देखियो particularly it is at National Waterway 3 C. C जल्दी देखियो that is your Kozhikode to Kollam. Kozhikode to Kollam है National Waterway 3 that is 24-hour navigation facilities. जोटा कि ये आम डिस्कस करवा टोटाल बहुत इंपोर्टाट जिन टोटाल बर्तमान 1 2 3 4 5 पांचटा ही तुम चलती आम डिस्कस करवा टोटाल सेमती व्हाट इज द अप्रोक्सीमेट % of total population of India is urban as of now? 26, 35, 49 and 53. It is your 35 basically. देखो डिस्कस करिए the West Coast Canal and National Waterway 3. The National Waterway number 3. Is a 205 kilometers stretch of this inland navigation route located in the Kerala, India. And it runs from Kollam to Kottapuram. It runs from the Kollam to Kottapuram and was declared as National Waterway 1993. It is the first national waterway in the country in 24 hours navigation facilities along the entire stretch. It has been extended to Kozhikode as per the National Waterway 16. जब तुम कोई वेस्ट कैनाल जब तुम देखिए नेशनल वाटरवे ले गोटे हला तुम्हारा फर्स्ट एटा हला तुम्हारा इलाहाबाद टू हल्दिया NW1 देन एपट जे तुम करछि सदिया धुबरी ब्रह्मपुत्र रो जे देखिबी दिस इज योर सदिया टू धुबरी. This particular patch is your National Waterway to Sadia Dhubri. It is the first national waterway in the country in 24-hour navigation facilities along with the entire stretch. It has been extended from Kozhikode as per the National Waterway Act 2016. Like Kozhikode mane this is your Kozhikode to Kochi. It has been extended from Kozhikode as per the National Waterway Act 2016. है एटू कोझिकोड टू कोची जदि देखियो होची 2016 पर दिस इज कंप्लीटली है आ भीतर सब मैक्सिमम स्ट्रेच दिस इज नेशनल वाटरवे 2 एटा दिस इज नेशनल वाटरवे 2 कोझिकोड सद्यादु नेशनल वाटरवे 2 कोझिकोड कोची जोटा एटा दिस इज नेशनल वाटरवे 3 नंबर कोझिकोड पल्ला बंकिमम कैनाल योर काकीनाडा to Puducherry, that is National Waterway 4. Out West Bengal to Brahmani Odisha पर्यंत, that is National Waterway 5. है so these are the things जोड़ा कि हमको cover up करके मन रखा होगा. Next देखिए about 35% 483,098 460 people of the total population of India is in urban. Urban रे जैसे देखियो इंडिया रे 35% people they live in the urban nation in India began to accelerate after independence due to the country's adoption of mixed economy. Due to country's adoption of the mixed economy neki they come here which give rise to the development of private sector. The population residing in urban areas in India according to 1901 population बताओ देखो 1901 पॉपुलेशन को 1901 पॉपुलेशन को पॉपुलेशन रिजर्विंग अर्बन एरियाज अकॉर्डिंग टू 1901 सेंसस से देखिबा तो अर्बनाइजेशन केते थिला मैं लिखिबी अर्बनाइजेशन in 1901 census it is near about 11.4% है जोड़ा कि बढ़ी की after 100 years that is 2001 census रे it is near about हेला केते that is 11.4 to 34%. Sorry, it is, I'm sorry, this is your body की your 34% जोटा माने 2001 census रे it is near about 28.5%. Let's say only 27% increase. देखियो 11 out 28 है near about 17% increase है 17% increase 28.5 to 17% increase तो जदि वर्तमान देखियो 17% एटा हला जदि हम देखियो वर्तमान 2000 लेट्स से 20 सुधा कि 22 सुधा एना मैक्सिमम 28 टा बॉडी के वर्तमान इट इज कम्स अराउंड नियर अबाउट 36% ला 8% ग्रोथ है पर्टिकुलरली that is a growth of your 8%. 8% of the growth is particularly. You see, there is a growth of 8% particularly. So this is the that how we are going to study. मुझे ये गुटे जिनसे रहना कहेंगे कि अर्बानाइजेशन जोटा कि पर्टिकुलरली जब कहबी कि अर्बानाइजेशन जब हम कहबी अर्बानाइजेशन इज ए अर्बानाइजेशन जदि देखियो इंडिया रे अर्बानाइजेशन इज ए प्रोसेस जोटा कि which is much faster in this 21st century particularly है 21st century रे urbanization is much faster now. Urbanization जब हम कहबी urbanization is a particular sector जो तरीके तमरा your urbanization जदि तमे देखियो urbanization much habitable है ना 21st century रे urbanization is much habitable. Our urbanization particularly India रा जदि सबुठु urbanized state जदि हम कहबे that is उत्तर प्रदेश है उत्तर प्रदेश है India रा सबुठु बड़ urbanized state and that means your maximum number of people lives or resides in urban cities in urban cities maximum number of people that are reside in your urban cities उत्तर प्रदेश है ना तो उत्तर प्रदेश जदि देखियो सबुठु माने urbanized सबुठु अधिक urban population maximum is there and apart from that also जदि उत्तर प्रदेश छड़ा जदि देखियो तमे that is also then it is the India देखियो urbanization पर कहेंगे ना because of the medical revolution communication system medical revolution communication system and your improved health conditions and your improved standard of living life. This particularly increases your part of your and the opportunities particularly this is and the opportunities available in the market means in the opportunities that is available in the nearby cities nearby cities जदि हम देखियो for example जदि जब देखियो nearby cities रे suppose if I taking example of New Delhi if I taking the example of New Delhi मुंथरा नेली तो New Delhi की जदि हम example नेली है तो maximum that is India रे कौन होगा maximum diverse flow to this here ये जगह कौन होगा New Delhi is here तो इटी भुवनेश्वर है ना तो इटी हैदराबाद चेन्नई कोलकाता तो मैक्सिमम समस्त डाइवर्स फ्लो समस्त एटी केस में न्यू दिल्ली को है ना तो डाइवर्स फ्लो जदि होची तमरो है तो ऑफ कोर्स से डाइवर्स फ्लो रे रहिया पे मैक्सिमम for example the opportunities why because the opportunities are available here so that is the reason why the urbanizations in the cities areas there always more chances so लोक मानकर बेसी possibility this is all about है तो ए ऊपर जदि हम डिस्कस करिबा तो एनालिटिकल ऑब्वियसली एटा की बहुत हेल्पफुल जब हम डिस्कस कले नेशनल वाटरवे 4 तुम कहली नेशनल वाटरवे 4 केते इंडिया रे जल्दी होची हाउ इट इज वाटर 1 टा कोठी इलाहाबाद रु हल्दिया सदिया धुबरी हैला कोझिकोड कोल्लाम एंड हियर इट इज जल्दी ओडिशा पर तो दीज आर द थिंग्स जल्दी हम डिस्कस करिबा नर्मदा रे हिला पंजाब ना एटी देखिला जल्दी हम डिस्कस कले तुंगभद्रा भवानी महादेव है ना इशू सॉरी दो मांडवी रिवर है ना इट इज इन देखिले Mahadevi river or Mandovi river dispute between Maharashtra, Karnataka, Goa है ना महाराष्ट्र कर्नाटक गोवा भितर मांडवी रिवर नहीं डिस्प्यूट तो ये भाया जिनसा एनालिसिस करके पचार पढ़ले आमको सुविधा हम बहुत जिन जाना बुंदेर प्रोजेक्ट डायमंड जोटा कि जाने कौटी बुंदेर प्रोजेक्ट मध्य प्रदेश 2004 डिस्कवर है ऑस्ट्रेलिया डिस्कवर 4 रे आउ माइनिंग मेजर एंड 2010 रे मध्य प्रदेश फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ठीक अच्छे ऑस्ट्रेलिया गवर्नमेंट डिक्लेयर कला 6 वर्ष पर मध्य प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट से एग्रीमेंट करके से काम कला सो हीराबुद्दीन प्रोजेक्ट भी से बढ़िया इन झारखंड रे कोलार उटी हीराबुद्दीन झारखंड है गोल्ड पाई जादूगड़ा यूरेनियम पाई है ना उटी उटी तो ये डिस्कस कले बहुत गुड़े जिन क्लारिटी रहा प्लस जो कमर्शियल आउ ये प्रोजेक्ट गुड़ा हमको भी कमर्शियल प्रोजेक्ट गवर्नमेंट रो भी मिनरल रिसोर्सेस कोटी अच्छी दैट इज आल्सो हेल्पफुल to us also है ना in this way we can discuss out majority of the questions we can able to resolve also okay ठीक अच्छी then for today as I think we will meet again in the next